Honor 20 Pro smartphone was launched in May 2019. The phone comes with a 6.26-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080x2340p. Honor 20 Pro is powered by an octa-core HiSilicon Kirin 980 processor. The Honor 20 Pro runs Android 9 Pie and is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Honor 20 Pro on the rear packs a 48-megapixel primary camera with an f1.4 aperture and a pixel size of 1.6 micron, a second 16-megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture, a third 8-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture, and a fourth 2-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture. The Honor 20 Pro runs Magic UI 2.1.0 based on Android 9 Pie. Connectivity options on the Honor 20 Pro include Wi-Fi 802 2.11, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include ambient light sensor,